What is good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy J Ford. We are officially back with another video, and today is officially the first day of Vlogmas. If you guys don't know what Vlogmas is pretty much we upload a video all the way up into Christmas. So that means one video every day for 25 days straight up until Christmas. So today is the first day, so I don't even know what today's video is pretty much going to be about. I just know I got two things that I really want to take care of, and number one is I need to change a bulb on the truck, and number two is we're gonna go take a look at this Bronco that's up at this dealership. Looks real nice. I see it every day when I ride past it, so I want to go ahead and take a look at it. Might trade the truck in for a Bronco. I don't know.
Cap.
Thinking about doing some remodeling in the garage. It's a little junky out here, so I cleaned it up just a little bit. Something's good enough because I had to do a photo shoot in here the other day, so I'm gonna do some remodeling in here as well. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but we'll see. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump right into the first thing that we need to take care of today's video. One thing I know for sure we're gonna need, which is my impact. Let's go ahead and grab that. And I got some sockets in here. Let's go. Take this to the dump. We'll do that another day. And today's video is brought to you guys by the good company over at VLOGMAS. They sent me these and they always look out for you, boys. So we're gonna go ahead and get these bulbs installed in the third brake light. I don't know if you guys can see, but as you can see, one bulb is actually out, so we're gonna be replacing that. And shout out to the guys from VLOGMAS. So let's go ahead and get started on that. You dig? Dang, man, I don't wanna open. There we go. VLOGMAS LED lighting. We're gonna put in the third brake light, well, cargo light. They are bright, very bright at night. We're only gonna use one since only one really needs to be replaced. I could use both, but I'm gonna save that one for whenever the other one go out instead of replacing it. And it doesn't really need replacing. So let's just go ahead and get started with that. Also, you guys need a set of these. I'll leave a link down in the description. Might give away a pair sometime during these holidays. Let me know what you guys think. Should I give away a pair? I gave away a pair, I think, last year. So I'm thinking I should do it again this year. Just go ahead and give away a pair. Just get in the giving spirit since it is the holidays. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into this. You guys see that, right? Turn this thing just a little bit more this way so you see your boy face. You know what I'm saying? So this is the one that was out. Gotta pull this out of here. This shit is wild enough. Zoom out a little bit more. Fool. There we go. Out with the old, in with the new. Shouts out to VLOGMAS, man. They always come through for you, boy. Came through, I hit him up, told him my bulb was out, and they just sent me a fresh new pack. Stick that thing in there just like that right there. And you set, man. You just stick that thing back in there, and you are good. There we go. Go ahead and drill these. And just like that, we good. Let's set this thing out real quick to make sure that light works. Both of them on bright. Let's go. And let's head to the dealership, man. Let's rock. First thing first, man, let's get this cold start going. Honestly, guys, sometimes this thing is just not loud enough for me, man. I really sometimes just want to go ahead and switch out the exhaust. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am heavily considering doing that in the year 2023 at some point. But I do have a few other things that I want to get before I do that. Maybe I'll do something like cut the cats off. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about that. I did hear that cutting the cats will help everything breathe a lot better. I know it's gonna be a little louder, but I mean, that's kind of what I want, to be honest. I don't want to be obnoxiously loud though. I really want to go with something like Borla or Corsa for a new exhaust, but we'll see, man. We're not gonna talk too much about that. We'll see if that actually happens. If it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. Oh well. So this Ford Bronco that we actually about to go see real quick, we actually losing a little bit of daylight, so we're about to go check this out real quick. We're gonna see what it looks like. Now you guys know I'm definitely not trading my truck in, but I told my wife that one day I'm gonna get her a Ford Bronco. She said she wants her. She said she wouldn't mind having a Wrangler, but I told her, nah. Our last name Ford, baby. We can't be in no Jeep. We gotta be in a Ford. The Broncos look 10 times better than me. That's my goal one day, to be able to purchase her a Bronco or any other car. But, and there is the Bronco right up here, man. That thing is looking good. We're about to pull in and go take a look at it, man. Look at that 2500 looking good too. Really just trying to look at the Bronco, man. That's all. The only thing I hate about coming to dealerships, the salespeople just want to come out and, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to waste nobody's time. I'm just gonna tell them right off the bat. I'm not trying to make no sales, dude. Look at that 2500 up there. It's nice. That Bronco is dumb nice. Jeez. What we got? 20 by 12s, I'm guessing. On some 35s, 1250. Sheesh. Can't tell me that thing ain't nice. You can get a quick thumbnail of this mug like that. Jeez. What's up, boss man? Not much. When they change the name of the dealer? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's nice. What's the asking price for this? 69. I like that. Yeah. You know how tall of a lift kit this is over here? Yeah. I'm guessing 6. I'm guessing maybe a 4 or 6. I see it got the power. Yeah, I think these power steps, I believe. No. Yeah, nah, they not. Yeah, I see it's a rough country lift though. Yeah, it's a rough country lift on there. So I'm guessing about 4 or 6 inch lift. Yeah. Dang. I ride by it all the time. I had to stop by here and look at it, get a close up look. Yeah. I was like, man. One day. I am. I do a little YouTube on the side too, so that's why I was like, I'm gonna just come up here and look at it and everything. Yeah, it is. It is real nice.
Almost 1,000 miles.
Yeah. I like the look of these better than I like the Wranglers.
The new Wranglers they got up there, they nice.
Yeah.
Now that green Wrangler,
Oh yeah. Them things, hey, they nice. I do contract work with a dealer up in Anderson, and so I'll be in them all the time. Them Grand Wagoneers nice, bro. Talk about luxury. Them things, they're something else.
yeah.
And they got this 2500 up here, man. Got a Ram up here. Yeah, I like that 25. We're gonna go back to the Bronco, man. That Bronco is sweet, bro. Let's get on out of here, though. And we are officially back at the crib. You guys know I'm not trading in the truck for the Bronco, but it was nice. And this is what the last fit LED lights look like at night. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on these lights, but I will leave a link down in the description for these lights. And shouts out to Last Fit for these lights. They are crazy bright, man. So with that being said, we're gonna end today's video and we'll catch y'all on day 2 of Vlogmas. So we out of here. Catch y'all on the next one.